What's up everyone? Today we will be changing a rear tail light on a 2015 Toyota Sienna. Now since Toyota is nice enough to reuse parts year after year, this video will be applicable for Toyota Sienna SEs from 2011 to 2020. So the project is pretty easy, and I'll say pretty much anybody can probably do it. All you need is a 10mm socket, and you can probably get it done in about 5-10 minutes. So this is the taillight we're replacing. Looks like it got shot by a BB gun. The good news is the new taillight will have the light bulbs already pre-installed. Begin by opening the rear liftgate. You will now be able to access the two 10mm bolts that are securing the light. Use the 10mm socket to loosen the bolts and then unscrew them by hand. Make sure you hang on to these because you won't get any extras. From there, just repeat with the other bolt. Get out of the way, Carl! The tail light is now secured with push fasteners that'll need to be popped loose. It helps to lift a little and stick your fingers underneath one side, then underneath the bottom and just pop it out, just like that. Inside you're going to find two connections. One's black and one's white. And that's color coded on purpose because later on you're going to connect the white connector to the white connection. Let's go ahead and remove the black one first, and there's a push lock. Basically push it in with your finger and just pull out the connection. Might take a minute, but it's pretty easy to do. Same thing for the white connection. Push in the push clip with your thumb and then just pull it out. You can now remove the old tail light and do whatever you want with it. Hang it on the wall. Pretty cool. Now there is a weather seal that you'll need to put on the new light. It should come with it, but if not, it just sticks right on like a sticker. In that case, you just align these 3 points here and stick it on. Also make note that there is a push clip here. This is the one that we had to loosen a second ago. And on the back side here, there's an anchor point that will correspond with the anchor point that's on the side of the vehicle. It hooks to this anchor right here. That push clip I talked about inserts here. That's how you align it. Okay, so now we just basically have to reconnect. The black connector will go into the only connection it fits into. You won't be able to mix them up. So go ahead and align it and just push it in and click it in place. Boom. Same thing for the white connector. Align it and then just push it in place and it'll lock. And that's it. It's connected. So now it's just a matter of lining up that push connector and that anchor point, and then from there just push it on. It might take a couple of shots, but there you go. Pretty basic. Now before you bolt it on, make sure that the lights work. Turn the car on, try the blinker, and then try the brake light. If they come on, you're in good shape. There we go. We're solid. Once that's done, reinsert the 10mm bolts, and you want to thread them as tight as possible by hand first. This is just to make sure you're not cross-threading them. Same thing with the other 10mm bolt. Pretty basic. Thread it by hand and tighten it as tight as possible. Now you'll take the 10mm wrench or ratchet and you're just going to tighten the bolts. You don't got to go crazy tight here because it's made out of plastic. You just want it to go snug. And just repeat with both bolts. Okay, so just like that, it's done. Again, very simple to do. You can do it yourself, save yourself a lot of money. If you found the video helpful, make sure that you like, subscribe, or if you have any questions or comments, leave them below. Thank you.